Yes. Hello, how are you?
Okay. Yes, I am could be better.
I'm sorry, what did you say?
I am could be better.
You, I guess you want to say I couldn't be better.
No, no, no. I am pretty good. Also, before also I used this word.
I could be
I
better.
could. Yeah, I could be better.
Okay. Sorry. So I must have heard something else. Okay, no problem. So
Yeah,
yeah, hi. I guess this is our first session together. So I'll introduce myself. I am Chanvi, your speaker for today.
yeah, yeah.
So let's hear an introduction from your side.
Yes, ma'am. Let me tell my introduction, ma'am. My name is Ram. I am from Telangana. I am pursuing MSc Yoga Therapy in Central University of Rajasthan, and my hobbies: traveling, playing, and cooking, and do farming work, and listening
That is
music.
great.
Listening
That's
music.
great.
Yeah, yeah.
That is great.
That's that's it.
Okay. So, how many sessions have you had with Lapingo?
I think this is sixth session. I think I forgot.
Okay.
Sixth
Okay,
or
no
seventh.
problem.
Yeah.
No problem. I was just asking. Okay, so today we will be talking about unexpected situations. Okay?
Already, this class has completed before. I want to know one thing in this session.
Yes.
Uh, how do I tell on the right way my self introduction?
Self introduction.
Yeah, on the right way. How could I tell that?
Okay, so for the right way of introducing yourself, what you just
Yeah,
did, I would say do not tell your hobbies or some unnecessary things until and
yeah.
unless asked. If somebody ask you to introduce yourself, okay, give me a scenario so I can tell you.
Yeah,
Okay, I'll give you a scenario. Suppose you're going for
yeah,
an interview for any job. Okay,
yeah.
so you are asked introduce yourself. So how would you do that? Tell me that.
Just before I told that like that only. I know very well that way only.
Okay, so I would say do not speak about your hobbies. Tell them why you
Yeah,
want the job and how are you qualified for the job. Then tell them why you want the job. Tell them why you want the job in their company. What do you see in their company?
yes,
I guess that would be enough. So, on the basis of the given information, just try to frame an introduction on your end and introduce yourself to me.
yeah,
Go ahead,
yes, ma'am.
introduce.
uh, Again,
Okay, yeah, again.
uh, my name is Ram. I am pursuing MSc Yoga Therapy.
Okay,
Again, what can I tell?
yes.
And I have completed graduation BSc BSc.
Okay. Are you there?
And yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I can hear you.
Okay. I guess you could maybe take up a scenario where you are applying for a yoga job only, suppose in
Yes.
some school as a yoga trainer or some other place as a yoga trainer. So, how
Yeah.
would you introduce yourself? Give me that introduction.
Yes, ma'am. That's why I am asking you. I don't know how can I tell that. How could I tell that?
I have given you some points, right? Speak this,
Yeah.
do not speak this. Just try to frame an introduction and then I will correct you. That will be more helpful than rather
Yeah.
me telling you all the things. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so go ahead.
I have completed graduation. I want, what is that? I want to join in this school or in this institute. Mm, Not I want to teach in this institute.
Okay.
Something, some institute or anything. School.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
I don't know, like this only, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So first of all, have you done any kind of internships before, or have you taught any people before yoga?
No, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. So you could tell them where you have done your bachelor's, from where you are doing your master's. Okay.
Yeah,
After that, you can tell that you were looking for a job to teach yoga. Okay.
yeah,
And then maybe you can tell them why do you want to do a job teaching yoga in the first place. You can tell that I completed BSc and MSc because I wanted to teach yoga. I am passionate about yoga or something like that, whatever it is the case with you. And then you can tell them that your institute offered the opportunity, and I feel
yeah,
that if I join your institute, I might, it might be a very good start for my career. You could say something like that. Not
yeah,
exactly
ma'am.
this, you could say something like that. I'm
Yeah,
just
yeah,
giving you some hints of how usually it is answered.
yeah, yeah. Okay, ma'am.
So go ahead now, try to speak up in introduction.
What, what, what can I say, ma'am?
Just I am asking you, tell me about yourself, and how would you tell me about yourself? A basic introduction.
Basic.
I mean, with all the information that I provided, I want you to speak up and act as if you're introducing yourself for the job interview here. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, so go ahead, please.
Yes. Again, I want to tell. Repeat.
Repeat.
Starting to ending. Starting to ending.
You want me to repeat?
Yeah, yeah. Uh, my name is Ram. I am from Telangana. I have completed uh, BSc, BSc
Yes.
BZC. I am searching for a job uh, in your
Wait,
institute. Yeah,
you tell them where you have completed your BSc from.
yeah, yeah, yeah. I have completed my BSc graduation in Hyderabad.
Okay, from
Uh,
Hyderabad.
Now I am searching. I am searching uh, job, yoga therapy job.
I'm searching for a job as a yoga trainer.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
might say that.
yeah.
Okay.
And I'm what is, I want to join in your institute. I want to teach in your institute.
Yeah, because it might be a good kickstart for my career. You can
Yeah,
say
yeah.
that. It might be a good start for my career, or it might kickstart my career really good. Okay.
What, ma'am? What, ma'am? I want to write that. Can you repeat again?
Uh, because I think it can help me start my
It can.
career. Help me
It can.
start my,
It start my career.
yeah.
Okay. Yes. I think it can helps me start my
Kickstart
career.
my career.
Yeah, yeah,
It can help me kickstart my career. Okay.
yeah.
So, Ram, I would say just here we are for a conversation. So, why don't we talk about something? Okay, that will be better. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, let me give you.
Next session, ma'am.
Sorry, what?
I don't know how to. I don't know because, ma'am, I don't know Uh, how do I tell myself introduction in front of others, anyone? That's why I need to learn this one with you.
Okay, okay, no problem. So, yeah, try to speak out, na. Only then it will help you. actually know how to introduce yourself. Like, for example, let me just give you an introduction on your behalf, okay? Like this.
Yeah.
Hello, good morning, good evening, whenever you are introducing yourself. Suppose it's afternoon. Hello, good afternoon. My name is Ram. I am from
Yeah.
Telangana. I have
Yeah.
completed my BSc in yoga from
Yeah.
this university in Hyderabad. Okay.
Yeah.
Then I am currently pursuing my masters in yoga from Rajasthan University.
Yeah.
Okay. I have had a passion for yoga, and I always wanted to become a yoga trainer. If that is what you want, I hope I that you are since you are pursuing your masters in yoga, you want to become a yoga trainer, right?
Yes, ma'am. I want to become a yoga trainer.
Okay, okay. So you are going to say that I always wanted to become a yoga trainer. That is why I completed my graduation in yoga and now I'm doing my masters.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
was looking for some jobs and I came up with an interesting opportunity at your institute, at your place,
Yes.
and
Yeah.
I would like to join here. I would like to learn what you have to offer, and I guess it could give me a very good start for my career. You could say it like
Yes.
that.
Yes. Yeah.
Just
Yeah. Yeah.
basic information about you and why you want to join their institute. Okay.
Yeah.
And suppose which type of introduction are you expecting you could encounter, like where you have to introduce yourself other than a job?
Job, ma'am.
Only job?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So don't talk about your hobbies as such, like that we used to do when we were small, and try
Oh,
to
when 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 do I tell my hobbies?
hobbies.
When could I tell?
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah. When could I
yeah.
tell?
You can tell about your hobbies when the hobbies are relevant to the introduction. Suppose your hobbies includes teaching yoga. Suppose, for example, like you used to teach yoga to some kids in your neighborhood, suppose, for example. So you, as a part of your hobby, okay,
Yeah.
so you could tell that in your interview, in your
Yeah. Yeah.
introduction. Or suppose you were very good at yoga in your school, so you could also maybe tell that I was very interested in yoga. And if you did some, okay, so did you do any tournaments in school?
Ma'am?
Did you do any tournaments in school?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Never.
Okay, so were you active participant of yoga in school?
No, ma'am. Just I am so. I mean, just I'm a trainer.
Okay, no problem. So you could, mention the hobbies that are relevant to the job that you're applying.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Like, what were your hobbies? Tell me.
My hobbies.
Yes.
My hobbies: listening music and cooking,
Yeah.
do walk and yoga,
Okay.
and traveling,
Okay. So suppose if your job consists of a part about traveling, you can
reading
mention that.
books, reading books.
O- Okay, that is great.
Yeah.
Yeah. So then you can mention your hobbies, but it would be like you would not tell your mother name, father name
Yes. Yes.
in your introduction, right? So this was
Ma'am,
an introduction.
I
Yes.
would like to. I would like to know, ma'am. What is that curriculum vitae means? Like this only, ma'am. Self introduction and same like this one. That one and this one same.
Curriculum vitae.
Yeah. 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 Because
That is
I am recall.
basically
Just I am recollecting that I was before I was studied in plus two time. My teacher also he told me that time again and again, curriculum vitae, what is that, they're also same like this, self introduction
curriculum
and that only.
vitae.
Yeah. Yeah.
See, curriculum vitae is nothing but your resume, but it is
Yeah.
called curriculum vitae when you have experience of many years. Like if you become a
Oh,
yoga trainer someday and you have trained for like 5 to 10 years, so you are very experienced yoga trainer, then
yeah,
your
yeah,
resume will not be called resume, it will be called curriculum vitae. And introduction is same for
right.
everything. Okay, that there is no difference as such.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay,
Okay,
understood,
so
understood.
Ram, the time for the session is up. The session is going to
Ma'am,
auto cut
where are you
end
from,
soon.
ma'am?
I'm from Haryana.
Okay, okay, okay. I have two friends there.
That is great. One more thing, I noticed that you pronounce per as fur, like pursuing instead of pursuing. Try to work on that.
Pursuing,
Yeah,
pursuing,
pursuing. Yeah, pursuing. Yes, not
pursuing. Yeah,
pursuing.
yeah,
Okay, okay,
yeah, yeah.
okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot. See you. Take care.
Okay.